My mother, will you go to Dubai again? वापस होता है
वापस with ashes जल सोने तने बाजार जलो वही हमके लिए गांव सोने ता बरतेश दिसले
somebody here who is a Dubai return. You see who's here. iPhone 14 Pro. What is the cost of this kidney? This costs kidney. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lakshmi and I make content on travel, lifestyle, fashion, beauty and much more. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn it into grey. Today's video is about my parents are back from their Dubai trip. So this video is more like what all things they have brought, and it's more like a haul. They have got a lot of things, too many bags, chocolates and also something special. In this video I'll talk about their trip and how did they go, and the tours and travels that they traveled with, the places that they saw, the itinerary kind of, the cost and all of that, and of course show you the things that they brought. It's going to be a fun video. Stick till the end and let's begin. There is somebody here who's a Dubai return. You see who's here. The first thing she's showing is she got those specs. Oh God. Okay. So where is your husband? He's not in the frame.
अभी आ जाएगा
अभी आ जाएगा, she says. So they traveled through a travel agency here in Udupi that is called Apna Holidays, and it was a 4 nights 5 days trip. So it was 85,000 per person, and the itinerary was more into Dubai, Abu Dhabi and Sharjah. So this 85,000 includes travel tickets to and fro, that is going and coming back per person. That will come around 25,000, 13,000 and 13,000 to and fro. That will be around 25,000-26,000, and their land package costs 60,000. So 60 plus 25 comes around 85,000. They had 3 times food, morning breakfast, afternoon lunch and dinner was provided. And it was a good 4-star hotel. So all of this came in, and all the transfers, sightseeing, everything comes under this 85,000. So once you pay, after that you have to pay nowhere, no entry fees, no travel, no tickets, nothing. Everything is taken care of by them, and they have taken to all important places is what they are saying. All the important places and everything was covered. Now I'll get my father also into the frame, and they will talk about how was their experience and what major places they went. Will they visit Dubai again? So my father is in the frame, and that's my mother, that's my father. Apna Holidays, a travel agency here in Udupi. So they took very good care of my parents is what they said. It was a group tour, okay, so 20 people will travel along in that group tour, and there's a tour guide as well as a person here that is the owner of that travel agency travels along with you.
2-3 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ದುಬೈ ಹೋಗಬೇಕೆಲ್ಲ ಆಲೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಆದರೆ ಆ ಟೈಮ್ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಟೈಮ್ ಕೂಡಿ ಬರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳು ವರ್ಕ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹೋಮ್ ಹೇಳಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಅವಳು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಅಮ್ಮ ನೀವು ಹೋಗಲೇಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ಹೊರಟಿದ್ದೆವು. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈ ಡಾಟರ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ದುಬೈ. ಅವರು ಅಪ್ನಾ ಹಾಲಿಡೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳುವಾಗ 75,000 to 80,000 ಹೇಳಿದರು. ನಾಳೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡೋದು ಅಂಥದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ನೋಡಲೇಬೇಕು ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸಲ ಹೇಳಿ ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳು ನನಗೆ ಫುಲ್ಲು ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಳು. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಉಡುಪಿ ಟು ದುಬೈ. ದುಬೈ ಈಸ್ ಎ ವೆರಿ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂದು ಸಲ ನೋಡಲೇಬೇಕು ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ. ಮೆಮೊರೇಬಲ್ ಕೆಲವೆಲ್ಲ ಈವೆಂಟ್ಸು, ಕೆಲವೆಲ್ಲ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ಬುರ್ಜ್ ಖಲೀಫ್, ಮಾಸ್ಕ್, ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಡಿಯಮ್, ಅಂದರೆ ಡೆಸರ್ಟ್ ಸಫಾರಿ, ಕ್ರೂಸ್, ಆನಂತರ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಿರಾಕಲ್ ಗಾರ್ಡನ್ಸ್, ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ ವಿಲೇಜ್, ಎಷ್ಟು ನೋಡಿದರೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಸಾಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಮ್ಮದು ಟೂರ್ ಇಸ್ 4 nights and 5 days. ಬಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡೆಡ್ ಫಾರ್ 2 more days ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಮೈ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಮೇಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರಲ್ಲಿ, ಅವ್ರು ನಿಲ್ಲೇಬೇಕು ಹೇಳಿದರು. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೊಂದು 2 ದಿವಸ ನಂತರ ನನಗೆ ರೂಮಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಮೇಟ್ ಗೋಕುಲ್ನಾಥ್ ಪ್ರಭು ಹೇಳಿ ಸುಮಾರು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಡೈಲಿ ರೂಮ್ಸಿಗೆ ಬರುವುದು, ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಚಾಗೆ ಟೀಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋದು, ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ಊಟಕ್ಕೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಮಿಸ್ಸಸ್ನ ಅಣ್ಣನ ಮಗಳೊಬ್ಬಳು ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ, ಅಕ್ಷತಾ ಹೇಳಿ, ಅವಳ ಗಂಡ ಕೂಡ ಹಾಗೆ, ನೀವು ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲೇ ನಿಲ್ಲಬೇಕು, ಹೋಟ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಲ್ಲಬಾರ್ದು ಹೇಳಿ. ಭಾರಿ ಒಂದು ಅವ್ರ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಾಲಿಟಿ. ದೊಡ್ಡಮ್ಮನ ಮಗಳ ಮಗ ಅಂದರೆ ಅವರ ಪುಲ್ಲಿ, ದೊಡ್ಡಮ್ಮನ ಪುಲ್ಲಿ, ಅವರ ಮಗ ಕೂಡ ಹಾಗೆ, ಗುರು ಹೇಳಿ, ಅವ ಕೂಡ ಹಾಗೆ ರಾತ್ರಿ ರೂಮಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ನಮಗೆ ತಿರುಗಿಸಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ದುಬೈಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 8 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಕೋಳಿ ಕೂಗಿದಾಗೆ ಅಂಗಡಿ ಬಂದಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ರಾತ್ರಿ 2-3 ಗಂಟೆ ಜನ ತಿರ್ಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ಸೀನರೀಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕೆಲವೆಲ್ಲ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ಲೈಟಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಭಾರಿ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಅಪ್ನಾ ಹಾಲಿಡೇಸ್ ನನ್ನ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಅವ ಹೆಬ್ಬಾರ್ ಹೇಳಿ, ಅವರ ಮಗ ಅನುಷ್ ಹೆಬ್ಬಾರ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ವಿಷಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಭಾರಿ ಕ್ಯಾರ್ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕಡೆ ಬಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಅನಂತ್ ಶೆಣೆ ಇದ್ದು ನಮ್ಮದೆಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲವು ಕಿಶೋರ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಸಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಒಂದು ನಮ್ಮನೆ ನಲಿಯೋದು, ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಸುಕ್ಕ ಹೇಳಿ ಒಂದು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಉಂಟು, ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಸೂಕ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದರೆ ಉಂಟಲ್ಲ ಹುಚ್ಚು ಹಿಡಿತದೆ. ಒಂದು 2-3 ಗೋಣಿ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದರೆ ಒಂದು 100 ಕಿಲೋ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ತರ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ತರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್.
Now my mother will say something. Now I'll ask my mother, will you go to Dubai again? वापस होता है?
वापस वे चाशस जल सोने तने बाजार जलो वही आमगे गाँव सोने ता आवडते दिसले जलारी अपना हॉलिडेज चाहे तने लायक को नमक बोंडाइले आणि मस्त क्यार घेतले अनुषिता हे डेझर्ट सफारी त्या पर भारी खुशी चालली. आम्ही पर लाईफ आम पळो का जलालेची केकपटी खुशी चालली. मग तशी वंटेर पर बेसन लाईफ आणतो वय कॅमल तांते बसल्यांची तशी भारी खुशी चालते. वही पडत घेऊन बही जाल्ले तर तंदर ना फर्स्ट टाइम बशी ना तशी मागीर आमकां ते अपना हॉलिडेज आतां गेले सकाळी पर लायक फूड ये लायक होटेल तशी मस्त खुशी जाल्ले. तशी अनेक पटी जाल्यार तांगेलो काही टूरिस्टला वच्ची आमणा दिसतले आनी हांगेल फ्रेंड्साला घरा पर चमकल्यांची आमगे रिलेटिव्सा घरा कडेन मागीर सुमार जावन पर तशी आमकां ते वच्चीन येताना एक नमुना बेजार सो 2 दीस चड राविले आमी जर येताना सोणे विचार न्हू बेजार म्हूण दिसला आनी वच्ची म्हण कितले दूर वापस वच्ची साध्य तशी ಒಟ್ಟು लाय जाल्ले खुशी जाल्ली.
Yeah, so they had a great time. I will put all English subtitles. This became multilingual vlog. It has all languages now. I'm talking in English, she spoke in Kannada, she spoke in Konkani. I have to put all subtitles now. Going itself, they had plans to stay 2 days more. So they left the tour guys after 4th day. And they went on the 5th day morning, they shifted with their friend. The flights were in the Mangalore airport to Dubai airport. So yeah, honorable mentions, as my father mentioned, that thanks to Gokulnath uncle, without whom my father had no much confidence, but he gave him all the confidence, and my sister and her husband as well, my brother-in-law, both of them gave so much confidence, saying that you have to come. So Gokulnath Prabhu and then Akshata and Chandrahaskini and my cousin Gurudat Nayak. So he did spend a lot of his effort in taking my parents for shopping. Thanks to Umesh Bandari, Sandhya Bandari and my cousin Suraksha. So these people really took good care of my parents. So everybody treated them very well. So they had all great things to praise about Dubai. And thanks to Apna Holidays as well. They want to go again, they're saying.
They want to go some other places. Singapore, Malaysia and Hong Kong.
So now let's begin the haul. Whatever they have brought, I will show it to you. Cost, I don't know. They also don't know. They don't remember. So let's begin the haul. First is this bag. It's a small bag. It is a sling bag. It's a smaller sling bag. So it's in the black color, dark black with this handle. Gives it a very classy look. I said this bag is mine. Just looking at the bag, I said this is mine. Then is this smaller bag in the whiter shade, white color, and this is also a sling bag having just one compartment. It's a sling bag. This is a big bag. This my mom got for her personal use, it seems. So she bought this on day one itself there, and she was carrying this everywhere around. All photos you can see this bag. Yeah, it has some lock kind of a weird pattern. So this is a huge bag. She likes huge bags, I guess. Then this one, this is in the pinkish peachish shade. This is the next one. It's comparatively smaller than the previous bag. So you can see this. It looks very nice. Very classy look it has. I like the sleek design here. Looks very nice. My mom's selection, yeah, very nice. Next is this one. This cost 1,200 bucks. This is a very nice multicolor. It says BSS. Has many compartments. So many compartments are in this. It also has this thing. Then she's a fan of clips. She has got clips for herself, like these clips, which you can, these kind of clips which you wear on your hair, right? These kind of clips. Really love these bangles. So you can see it's very nice design. When you wear it, no, just wear them, it looks like this. These bags and clips from, they're saying Evisu, Evisu, that's the shop name, opposite Burjuman metro station in Dubai, it seems. So Evisu, this shop had very good bag collection, is what my mom told. Then they got a lot of chocolates and dates, like Dubai is famous for dates, right? So lots of dates. I had asked them to bring seedless, with seed, blah blah blah, so many things. These kind of dates, they are very tasty and look very yummy and very filling. So this kind of dates they got. People have brought around 55 kgs of weight. You can bring 30 kgs of weight each person. People have brought nearly 55 kgs of stuff, I guess. So, and they're still regretting 5 more kgs. We could have brought something, it seems. Then they got these kind of chocolates which look like Ferrero Rocher, but they are not Ferrero Rocher. Then some more chocolates, more and more and more chocolates. If I keep showing all those chocolates, then this video is not going to at all end. Then I had asked them to get my favorite chocolate, Roger Federer. Ferrero Rocher. So they got me this Ferrero Rocher, the bigger dabba, and they told that सारे चॉकलेट सस्ते आए, बस तुम्हारा वाला महंगा आया. Only this costed more than rest of the chocolates they brought, it seems. And now the best part, what they got from Dubai, that is iPhone 14 Pro. What is the cost of this? Kidney. This costs kidney. So first of all, thanks to my cousin Gurudat Nayak, without whom this phone wouldn't have been possible. He literally searched everywhere for this phone, and he has taken a lot of effort to search everywhere all around Dubai. Initially my plans were to get iPhone 13 Pro. Initially my budget was around 80 to 90,000. iPhone 13 Pro is what I was thinking, because mainly to shoot. So it's not an impulse buy, I'd want to tell. I did not decide overnight I wanted iPhone 13 Pro. I have Samsung M30 with which I am shooting this current video as well, and I've shot like almost every other video which you can see on my channel till date, as well as I have an action camera. So that is Canon CN10. So then gradually I did think about investing in a better camera. It did not happen overnight. I did not impulse buy it. I did give it a thought for good amount of 7-8 months. I was thinking, do I really need it? What will be the possible scenarios with which I'll use it? What if I don't vlog anymore, and blah 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 blah, and so many things. And I saved up money for 7-8 months. So I had a separate fund I'd accumulate to buy an iPhone 13 or 14. I did knew that in my mind. 80-90,000 I had to collect. So I did have a separate fund for that. And yeah, I want to let you know that if you're new to content creation, you don't need high-end phone to begin with. You can just start shooting with your own current mobile, and then you can, as you grow gradually, you can think about buying higher mobiles, higher quality camera. Finally, iPhone 13 Pro is what I had asked my cousin to, shop for around. Gurudat, I had asked him to. Sadly, after iPhone 14 Pro came, 13 Pro sales were not there. He could not find at all. Then he took help from of my father's friend Gokul uncle, and then both of them searched everywhere around. He told me that maybe you could, buy iPhone 14 Pro. That'll be at least the latest version, and it'll be good for you. Yeah, it overshot my budget. I was thinking around 90,000. So this beauty costed 1,10,000. So yeah, so this is how the case looks like, and that's the charger inside. This is of course opened, and this is in the deep purple shade which came for iPhone 14 launch. With iPhone 14 launch came this kind of a shade, that's purple. So this is called deep purple. He paid this in dirhams and then I transferred it to him. So yeah, 1,10,000 it costed. So the VAT can be refunded in airport, and my father brought it to India with him, saying that he's going to use this phone. That is allowed. You have to just open it, create an account and then get it. That's it. So had I bought it in India, it would have costed me 1,40,000. I got it from Dubai. This came for 1,10,000. I could save up to 30,000 on this phone. This is the biggest purchase. What is the cost of iPhone 14 Pro is my kidney. I've been telling all kidney jokes from yesterday, which my mother is not very happy with. I also did get a charger adapter. The adapter no longer comes with the phone. This is the Dubai charging point adapter which my cousin found there and got it. So this is how it is. It's a different kind of an adapter. That extra socket, it would only go inside that. This costed another 1,500 Indian rupees, I guess. So the phone totally costed 1,15,000. Out of which 4,000-5,000 got refunded as VAT in the Dubai airport. He also did put a Gorilla Glass on top of this for all safety reasons, because iPhones are really costly. If the screen damages, then again 20,000 you have to pay to repair the screen. Even the black metallic thing, that is also, this is all metal. This is all metal. So thanks to Guru Babaji and thanks to my parents for going to Dubai to get me an iPhone, man. So that's all that I have for this video. I hope you liked the video, and let me know all your thoughts in the comments if you have any queries, questions and everything, and I shall answer that to you. And if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe, hit that red button and turn it into grey.
Bye.
Subscribe karo sanga. Subscribe man.
Subscribe. Subscribe
Thanks for watching. Take care and bye. Bye.